In the quiet of night, a man named Elias found himself plagued by relentless hiccups. Each spasm felt like a sinister force clawing at his insides. He tried everything to stop them, but they only grew stronger, more insistent. As the hours passed, Elias noticed a shadowy figure in the corner of his room, mirroring each convulsion. The figure whispered secrets of a forgotten curse, one that bound souls to eternal torment through hiccups. Desperate, Elias realized the truth. The hiccups were not his own. They were the echoes of a tormented spirit seeking release. With each breath, the shadow grew closer, its intentions clear. Elias was not alone, and the night was far from over. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that will haunt your dreams.